The airplane mode stuck issue on Verizon devices, especially Android smartphones like Samsung Galaxy models, is a software glitch where the airplane mode toggle becomes unresponsive. This traps your phone in a state with cellular, Wi Fi, and Bluetooth connections disabled, even when you try to turn it off. This isn't a hardware problem, but rather a software bug, usually stemming from conflicts between Verizon's network software and Android's system controls. Let's look at how this appears on different devices. The root causes of the airplane mode stuck issue typically involve software synchronization errors between Verizon's over the air updates and the device's radio firmware. Verizon's 5G network optimizations can sometimes interfere with manual toggles, prioritizing data integrity over user controls. Qualcomm Snapdragon processors, common in Samsung phones, can also enter a stuck state due to firmware mismatches affecting the modem. Common triggers include forced restarts during network handoffs, outdated apps, or SIM card issues that cause conflicts. The airplane mode is governed by the Android.intent.action.airplane mode broadcast, which can be blocked by conflicting services. Verizon and Samsung have been actively addressing the airplane mode stuck issue. Verizon released a network-side firmware update called Verizon Update 5.0 that mitigated the problem for many users, particularly on devices like the Galaxy S24 and S25 series. The companies partnered for joint debugging sessions, leading to beta patches rolled out to select users through Samsung's Knox security platform. Trends show a shift toward AI-driven diagnostics in mobile troubleshooting, with both Verizon and Samsung integrating machine learning tools into their support apps for automated issue detection. Start with the simplest fix: restart your device. This clears temporary glitches that might be causing the airplane mode to stick. Next, check for app updates. Outdated apps, especially system apps, can conflict with airplane mode controls. Go to the Play Store, tap your profile, and select Manage Apps and Device to update everything. Try toggling airplane mode on and off several times. Pull down the notification shade, tap the airplane mode icon repeatedly. This can sometimes reset the stuck state. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. This can refresh the cellular connection and clear any SIM-related glitches causing the airplane mode to stick. Clear the cache partition from the recovery menu. This removes temporary system files that might be interfering with airplane mode without deleting personal data. These quick fixes often resolve the issue without needing advanced steps. If airplane mode remains stuck, proceed to more detailed solutions. If the quick fixes don't work, try booting your phone into safe mode. This disables all third-party apps, helping to identify if a rogue app is causing the problem. If airplane mode works in safe mode, uninstall recently installed apps one by one until the issue is resolved. If safe mode doesn't work, try resetting your network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings, which might resolve the conflict. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset Network Settings. Another effective solution is to reset the Verizon app. This clears the app's data and cache, which can resolve conflicts causing the airplane mode issue. You can do this through the app settings in your phone's main settings menu. Alternatively, you can uninstall the Verizon app completely and then reinstall it from the App Store. This often provides a fresh start. Watch the progress as the reset completes. Make sure your phone's system software is up to date. Go to Settings, then Software Update, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates often includes important bug fixes that can address the airplane mode issue. If an update is available, download and install it. This process may take a few minutes. The progress is shown here as it completes. A widely publicized case involved over 10,000 Verizon users on the Galaxy S23 Ultra reporting the airplane mode issue after a January 2024 carrier update. Samsung issued a targeted patch called One UI 6.1.1 that resolved 85% of these cases. Verizon collaborated with Samsung on an airplane mode recovery program targeting 500,000 affected devices. Participants received free diagnostic tools via email, with success rates of 92% for non-rooted phones. These examples emphasize that fixes are often user-driven, with community forums like Samsung Community providing 70% of resolutions. Experts predict a near elimination of such bugs as 6G networks and unified OS standards emerge. Verizon's 2026 roadmap includes zero-bug updates, where firmware is tested against common glitches via cloud simulations before release. For preventive measures, regularly update your device's software, avoid third-party apps that interfere with radio controls, and ensure your Verizon apps are also up to date. As AI diagnostics improve, incidents could drop significantly by 2028.